What's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic muscle cars reborn for the modern era, the 2026 Chevy Nova 454. This isn't just a simple nod to the past, it's a full-on resurrection of raw American power with a fresh twist of modern engineering. The Nova name has always meant business, and with the legendary 454 badge on the fender, you know this car is built to deliver pure adrenaline. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Nova grabs your attention with an aggressive, wide stance, bold body lines, and a low, menacing profile that screams speed even when it's standing still. Chevy's design team has masterfully blended the sharp, clean styling of the classic Nova with aerodynamic upgrades and modern LED lighting that give it an unmistakable presence both day and night. Under the hood lies the beating heart of this beast, a monstrous 7.4-liter V8 producing over 650 horsepower. It's paired with a performance-tuned transmission and advanced launch control to ensure that every ounce of power is unleashed efficiently. The exhaust note is deep, raw, and unapologetically loud, reminding everyone within earshot that muscle cars are alive and well. Chevy has also integrated adaptive suspension and a sophisticated traction management system, allowing the Nova 454 to dominate not just on the drag strip but also on winding back roads. Whether you're punching it from a stoplight or carving through a mountain pass, the Nova responds instantly, delivering a driving experience that's equal parts thrilling and precise. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect mix of retro-inspired design and modern technology. The driver-focused cockpit features bucket sport seats wrapped in premium leather with bold contrast stitching, a flat-bottom performance steering wheel, and brushed aluminum accents. The fully digital instrument cluster can be switched between a vintage gauge style and high-tech performance readouts depending on your mood. In the center, a large infotainment display offers seamless smartphone connectivity, advanced navigation, and a premium audio system that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. The interior is spacious yet performance-oriented, making the Nova as comfortable for long cruises as it is for all-out speed runs. Driving the 2026 Nova 454 is nothing short of exhilarating. The acceleration pins you to your seat, the handling is sharp and confident, and the braking is powerful enough to bring all that muscle to a stop without drama. The steering is precise, giving you a strong connection to the road, and the chassis feels planted no matter the speed. This car doesn't just move fast, it feels alive, like it's ready to push you to your limits and beyond. Chevy has made sure the Nova retains that raw, analog feeling of classic muscle while benefiting from the control and safety of modern performance engineering. Chevy is also offering a variety of customization options, from classic color schemes like Hugger Orange and Tuxedo Black to new metallic finishes that pop in the sunlight. Multiple wheel designs, performance packages, and trim upgrades allow each Nova owner to make their car truly unique. Limited edition variants with special badging and even higher performance numbers are expected to become instant collector's items. The 2026 Chevy Nova 454 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that in an era dominated by electric vehicles and self-driving technology, there's still room for pure gasoline-fueled passion. It's a bridge between generations, a car that lets longtime Nova fans relive the glory days while introducing a new audience to what real American muscle feels like. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or someone who's just starting to appreciate performance cars, the Nova 454 will leave a lasting impression every time you hit the gas. That's all for today's feature here on Car Trend. If you enjoyed this deep look at a muscle legend reborn, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next high-octane review. The road ahead is fast, loud, and unforgettable, and we'll be right there bringing you the best of it.